Welcome to Frema Synergy, the channel where ambition meets strategy and where ideas turn into profitable businesses. If you click this video, you're serious about starting a business in Dubai, whether exploring opportunities or looking to grow one where you live.
Today, I'll show you step-by-step how to start a profitable business in Dubai in 2026 without hype, false promises, or costly mistakes.
Stay until the end because I will share top business models, the best licenses for different situations, and strategies to grow even if your budget is small.
Before we start, subscribe to Frema Synergy, like this video, and comment Dubai business below if you are serious. Now, let's get started.
Now, let's start with part 1, where we explore why Dubai is still one of the most powerful places to start a business in 2026. Dubai in 2026 is still one of the best places to start a business because the city rewards people who plan carefully, act professionally, and think long-term. Dubai's zero income tax, top infrastructure, and strong government support make business operations smooth. Dubai is also an innovation hub with smart policies and digital initiatives opening opportunities in fintech. Competition in Dubai is fierce. Businesses lacking clear strategies often fail, while those focused on professionalism and customer satisfaction thrive. Success in Dubai means knowing the opportunities and challenges. Entrepreneurs who study the market, follow trends, and adapt quickly grow successfully. Now, let's move to part 2, which is choosing the right business model, Enhedo, the foundation of any profitable business. A profitable business in Dubai starts with a solid model. Even great branding or marketing can't fix an unclear or misaligned business model. In Dubai, successful businesses solve real problems. Popular low-cost options include consulting, marketing, or digital businesses are booming in Dubai. Niche e-commerce, personal brands, and online education thrive thanks to real estate support businesses are profitable, including property management, photography, and lead generation, thanks to Dubai's large and growing property market.
The key is to start simple. Test your idea quickly with paying customers, avoid complex models, and focus on real value that can scale over time.
Now, let's move to part 3, which is choosing the right business license, Arhos, a step where many entrepreneurs make costly mistakes. Your business license is more than a legal requirement. It determines how you operate, where you can sell, and who you can work with. Mainland licenses are ideal if you want full access to the local UAE market, including government contracts and physical stores. Free zone licenses are ideal for international and digital businesses, offering 100% ownership, lower costs, and no physical office requirement. Freelance permits suit solo professionals testing ideas or offering services, but they limit hiring and scaling. Now let's move to part 4, which is about banking, finances, and cash flow, and Clive, a step that is critical for survival. Opening a business bank account in Dubai requires clear preparation. Banks expect your license, activity, and documents to match to merchants. Managing cash flow is essential from day one. Many businesses fail not because of lack of clients, but because they overspend. Rules. Keep expenses low, reinvest profits wisely, and maintain strong relationships with banks and suppliers. Now let's move to part 5, marketing, Harukating, the step that decides whether your business thrives or struggles. A license, office, or logo alone does not bring clients. Visibility, trust, and reputation determine whether people choose your business over competitors. 3. Marketing in Dubai in 2026 is about combining consistent content, personal presence, and smart advertising. Fast communication and professional follow-ups are critical. Using WhatsApp, email, or CRM systems to follow up with online reviews and testimonials are also crucial. Positive feedback builds trust and attracts more clients in a competitive market. Finally, let's move to part 6, scaling your business the right way without risking it. Scaling too quickly is a major reason businesses fail in Dubai. Expanding before having stable income, clear systems, smart businesses grow step by step. They reinvest profits, improve operations, hire carefully, and maintain quality at every stage. Dubai offers tremendous opportunities for regional expansion, partnerships, and diversification. However, Dubai offers tremendous opportunities for regional expansion, partnerships, and diversification. However, only first. If this video helped you, subscribe to Frema Synergy, like the video, and comment below what business you want to start.